Hello guys, this is Vivek, and in this video, I'll give you a clear answer to one question that confused me in an interview. What is a server and how does it actually work? To be honest, when I heard this question, it was very confusing actually. Server is having multiple meanings, so I doesn't know what exactly to say. So in that place, let's understand in a simple way. Before servers existed, computers worked individually. There used to be only one big computer where it used to be there. There was no sharing, there was no communication, and there is no real internet with that. Then, if you wanted data, you had to be on that exact machine to get it. So, the idea was simple. What if one system could handle a request from multiple users? So, the place where multiple users can ask questions and there'll be one person to reply. So, that's what the server is. So, the people are like multiple people can ask questions and there'll be one replier will be giving the answer. So, that is called a server here. And in that place, servers came in. And now let's see the what is a server. So a server is a system that listens to the request, process them, and send a response back to the user. So it's like response giver, where the people can ask number of questions to the teacher, and teacher responds the question by understanding the respective format. That's the core idea. It's not just storage. It's not just a database. It's a system that connects everything together. Now let us see what actually happens in real life. When you open Instagram, your app sends a request over the internet. That request travels and reaches a respective server. Then server process it and it fetches the data from the database, like whatever the images you have stored or else what the information about you, it's in the database. So it fetches that information and sends back to the user. That's what the in the screen you'll be seeing all the images as well as the UI. So it is helping us to fetch the information from the respective. So all of this thing happens in milliseconds. Now here's something more important where in the present world we're having a lot of bigger systems. Previously there used to be minimal number of users for an application, but as the population being keep on increasing, the respective servers has to be handled more complex number of people. So in that case, we're having now microservices where for a single application, we're using a multiple servers for a single flow. For example, Instagram uses servers to handle APS and media. Media is nothing but music and audio, as well as some of the videos. And WhatsApp uses servers to deliver messages because it's having a different goal. And Netflix and Amazon Prime uses servers to stream the videos because video streaming is really hard and more time taking. But if you see the end of the day, all of them follow the same principle that it handles requests. Now let us see the modern system where actual software development lies in. In the today's server, it's not just one machine. It's a system of multiple services working all together. For example, we're having an API server, cache like Redis, background workers, and database. So all working together as one system. The majorly in software development lifecycle, servers acts as a very important role where it will handle the internet request which is called HTTP, which help us to handle the request sent by the user and send them response. So it's having a protocol. So this is a fundamental. So next time when someone asks you what is a server, you won't say just database or some storage. You will say that it's a system that listens, process, and then responds. And that's what powers the internet and flow.